Welcome to Behind the Scenes for our workshop, Teens with Special Needs. We would like parents to join us to learn vital social skills and social emotional strategies to effectively support their children. Dr. Handfield, why this topic? Why now? And why us?
Why not us? Well, first of all, we're both facilitators of workshops for parents with special needs children. We've given workshops, numerous workshops on how we can support the parents, provide strategies, and through our discussions, we've realized that topic of sex, puberty, adolescence is something that is very limited conversations with parents who have special needs children. So that's how we decided to collaborate with each other. My name is Dr. Dorothy C. Handfield. I am an educator, 24 years of experience in urban settings, and a board certified behavior analyst, where I specialize in working with children in building their capacity and their social skills so they can learn how to interact with other people, whether it's their family members, classmates, people out in the street. And this is a needed topic. So, Ms. Lloyd, if you could talk about your credentials and why we are qualified to provide this workshop for parents.
Thank you so much, Darcy. As you were sharing, I remember when you came on to meet with myself and one of my interns to share social skills training. And I want to tell you that the child has made progress, right, with the insights that you gave. And, the ability for us to share and to just help to improve lives is why we do what we do. In terms of myself, I'm a licensed professional, mental health professional. I've been in the mental health field for the past 15 years. And as a member of the Robinson Lloyd Resiliency Group, we help children to recognize and fulfill their potential by checking certain metrics that are developmentally appropriate. We help them to, see their self-worth. We help them to recognize if they have any anxiety or any depression, and we also help them to build their determination to finish. And what I found that was a real gem after doing this particular program for schools for the past 4 years, we are able to share insights with parents and with schools on how to best and effectively nurture and foster helpful relationships and to just give their children the best opportunity to flourish. And I'm excited because this workshop, would have several benefits, including to help parents increase their awareness around specific situations that they may not be aware of related to teens with special needs. We have case studies. We're going to help you gain practical and useful skills that are easily implementable to transform your day-to-day with your child who has special needs. And most importantly to us, we'd be fostering a sense of community where you would be around people who have the same concerns, who want to learn, who want to share, and who want to change and improve their lives and their children's lives. And you deserve it. Dorothy, the details on this workshop.
Yes, I was going to say, if you're interested, which you should be, on how to attend and register for our workshop, there's a link in the bio where we will hold our workshop. It's a two-parter, Sunday, April 24th, from 1:30 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And second part two, will be held on Sunday, May 1st, from 1:30 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you don't want to miss it. Make sure you register. We have limited seats. We look forward to working with all of you.
See you then.
Yes, thank you. See you.